sure that's gonna work.
Dekai. Suge! Thanks a lot!
Brian!
Never buy no weed from the gas station.
And we're launching, and we're crashing.
Call a penis, mister.
Ladies and gentlemen, the weekend.
Fortnite balls, I'm gay, I like boys, I kidnap.
Oh my god! Oh my god! She's trapped in a book! She's trapped in a book! Athena, why are you in a book? She's trapped in a book! What's up, it's a cultural detective here investigating your favorite memes, and today I'm going to be talking about memes. So, yes, like every single first day of every... Oh my god, it's raining outside again? Anyways, let's talk about the memes of May 2021. 2019 just started and it's already May 2021. Kill me. So, first of all, we have sheesh, where essentially people do this, they do this, and they're like sheesh, which is probably my least favorite meme of May 2021. It's boring, it's pointless, it doesn't mean anything, it's big stupid, it's for stupid people, stupid meme for stupid people. Next up we have petting cat endings. Now this meme is pretty smart, where essentially we have a guy petting his cat, but people who look at this meme may not know what the hell does this mean. Meaning that, is he petting his cat because they're dying and this is the last thing they're doing? Or are they is he petting his cat because he's happy? People need context, so people started making context for this meme. Them petting, the guy petting his cat because they're about to die in a nuclear explosion, and then after they survived the nuclear explosion, he survived and he happily pets his cat. Or maybe they both died and the guy is petting his cat in heaven or maybe in hell. Or the cat has turned into a weird monster because of the radiation and he's still petting his cat because he loves it. There are many versions of it. There's an entire friggin' timeline to this petting cat meme, and it's ingenious, basically. Similarly, we have kitten reviews, where it's like the petting cat meme, but worse, where we have people reviewing kittens, like, haha, very small, kind of furry, 8 out of 10. Ooh, stinky cat, 2 out of 10. Not even a cat, 0 out of 10. Then we have Think Mark Think. This is a meme from the very popular and well-known cartoon series called Invincible, which just got released. And yeah, I don't understand this meme because I haven't even watched Invincible, but I'll watch it tonight. But yeah, Invincible, very, yeah. Next meme is a meme where it's a bit of a VTuber meme, and that is the Shuba duck, where for some reason, there are a lot of memes inside these VTuber circles, whether it be Hololive, Nijisanji, or other circles. But this meme somehow got out of that circle and got popular, and more people started learning about Hololive, even though pretty much the entire world has heard of them at this point already. But this is basically the duck dancing, and Subaru, Ozora Subaru is also dancing along with the duck with the song Hey Ya by Outkast in the back. Just very wholesome, and it's cute. It's cute. I'll give it that. It's friggin' cute. And Ozora Subaru is a very underrated VTuber. One of the most underrated of all times, in my opinion. She joined Hololive without any prior idol or any prior streaming experience. The reason why she joined is because her house burned down and she needs money. And the dedication that she has and the effort that she puts into her videos entertaining the people is just, I can see the passion. So shout out to Ozora Subaru. And so essentially this is the Subaru Shuba 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 meme. Next up we have Pedro Pascal laughing and crying meme, where Pedro Pascal was like laughing and then he slowly transitioned from laughing into crying while the song Space Song by Beach House played in the back. And yeah, it's pretty good. Pedro Pascal is a fantastic actor, and he's huge meme material as well. He's been very memey since day one, so it's good to see him be in some memes. Speaking of actors and memes, we also have Dean Norris saying a sussy baka in a cameo video, but that's part of the Amogus meme movement of the last few months, which I don't want to talk about anymore, okay? Enough Amogus! I've lost my sanity already! Why is there still Amogus? Why? Anyways, we have what the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Is a meme from the Vine by legendary Viner King Bach, the guy with the comically large spoon and the friggin' that backflip. And one of his vines is basically him opening like a box of mint candies, and a bunch of people are trying to grab the candy, including a dog. So, well, what's a dog doing? And then there would be videos of like cats or snails or turtles, and people would reply in the comments saying, "What the dog doing? What the dog doing?" And that's basically. Next up, we have haha, Jonathan, you are banging my daughter. And this meme is from like, I don't know, Hotel Transylvania or some shit. But it's from a Disney movie, and how did I know for a fact that this line could not possibly have ended up in a Disney movie made for kids. But somehow this line exists. And it's basically some vampire dude saying, haha, Jonathan, you are banging my daughter. And Jonathan being the main character. And it's just fucking stupid. Anyways, here are the top 3 memes of May. Oh my god. Why is it so bright all of a sudden? Anyways, number 3, it is Arcade Craniacs. Arcade Craniacs is a guy. His girlfriend's name is Nicole. And together they make 3 a.m. videos on YouTube with a twist, because they're actually doing it ironically. There's the Among Us 3 a.m. Don't call it the imposter at 3 a.m. And the imposter is making him watch David Dobrik apology videos. Really? That's when you know they're ironic. But yeah, that's basically them, and they're actually really nice and really valid, solid people just doing their thing, 3 a.m. SpongeBob videos and all that stuff. Anyways, my number 2 favorite meme of May is Lance Stroll interrupts.
Sebastian Vettel and Pierre Gasly, what has happened? We need to know who's going to come out in front as we see Lance Stroll hitting the barrier and going over the curb one more time. I think
where out of nowhere Lance Stroll just interrupts the video. Yeah. And it's from F1 car racing. I've been making YouTube videos for 4 years now, for over 4 years, and I've not once mentioned car racing. Actually, I probably have. But yeah, Lance Stroll car racing video. I know nothing about car racing, but there's this guy, he's called Lance Stroll, and while a car race, suddenly the graphics abruptly, jarringly cut into a replay of Lance Stroll hitting the curb So now there are tons of videos where, like, it isn't even related. Like, it could be another video, but regardless, Lance Stroll would just suddenly hop out of nowhere and interrupt the video. And my number one favorite meme of the year is, not the year, the month, is simultaneously one of the worst songs of the month, and that is What You Know About Rollin' in the Deep. I'm gonna turn off the air conditioner.
What you know about roll?
This song is fucking trash. Where essentially this song is being promoted like hell on Spotify, and it just becomes this really annoying friggin' thing, and like I just can't imagine how the guy who made the song feels right now when his song becomes so bad and so annoying. It somehow got popular because of that. Like, the guy who made this song probably feels ambivalent towards this right now because he just doesn't know how to feel about it. But yeah, this song is so annoying, and it's like the Lance Stroll interrupts meme where it just suddenly plays out of nowhere and it just becomes super annoying and super stupid, and it's very friggin' funny, and it's so funny that it's become my favorite meme of May. Also, speaking of bad songs, we also have the latest Dream song, Mask. But I'm not calling it a meme because it doesn't have that. It's not widespread enough. People aren't making enough meme materials from this. But yeah, this song is kind of trash. I'm failing all my classes. They think that I need glasses. Yeah, so, what are your favorite memes of May 2021? From 1 to 10, how much did you rate them? Like them, hate if you hate them, and subscribe if you want more, and thanks for watching. Yesterday, I promised that I'm going to review Black Midi album today, but I lied. I actually will not do it today. I actually changed my mind, and I'm going to do it tomorrow instead. Maybe, because I want to listen to the album a little bit more. So, yeah.